The Kia Ceed III, available from 2018 to present, features electric folding mirrors. These mirrors are designed to fold electrically, providing convenience and protection against damage in tight spaces. The feature is standard on Sport, GT line, and higher trims, and optional on base models. As of 2025, approximately 85% of Kia Ceed sales in Europe include electric folding mirrors. Recent updates include over-the-air firmware updates, allowing remote operation through the Kia Connect app on 2024 models and later. The mirrors operate via an electromechanical system for reliable folding. To unfold the mirrors, first locate the Mirror Fold button on the driver's door armrest. It's marked with a mirror icon. Press and hold this button for 1 to 2 seconds. The mirrors will unfold outward to the driving position. Alternatively, the mirrors may unfold automatically when the ignition is started or the vehicle is unlocked, depending on your settings. To fold the mirrors, press the Mirror Fold button on the driver's door armrest for 1 to 2 seconds. The mirrors will fold inward, parallel to the vehicle body. This protects them in narrow spaces or during car washes. In case of electric system failure, the mirrors can often be manually adjusted for unfolding. However, folding the mirrors manually typically requires professional dealership repair. Avoid forcing the mirrors, as this could cause damage. Newer Kia Ceed models from 2024 onwards support remote control of the electric folding mirrors through the Kia Connect app. This feature lets you fold and unfold the mirrors conveniently using your smartphone. To use this, make sure your vehicle is connected to the Kia Connect service and that the mirror control feature is enabled in the app settings. If the mirrors are not folding or unfolding correctly, start by ensuring the vehicle's battery has sufficient charge. Next, verify that the Mirror Fold button is functioning correctly. Then, check the vehicle's settings in the infotainment system to ensure auto-folding is enabled if applicable. If problems persist, consult a certified Kia dealer. Electric folding mirrors prevent damage in tight parking spaces, reducing potential repair costs. They offer added convenience, especially in urban environments. Case studies show that they can reduce minor accidents in congested areas. Usage statistics indicate that a majority of Kia Ceed owners use folding mirrors daily for damage prevention. The future of mirror technology includes integration with advanced driver assistance systems, such as blind spot monitoring and adaptive mirror tilting for reverse parking. Expect AI-driven auto-folding based on GPS data and integration with autonomous driving technology. Mirrors will integrate with autonomous driving technology, providing real-time environmental awareness. Customization through apps will continue to grow, offering enhanced control and personalization.